We are loving this beautiful property in Panama City Beach.
Yes, I can't wait to show it to them. Let's go, Britt.
Let's go. This adorable little unit has a sitting space downstairs and upstairs.
I love this adorable kitchen, perfect amount of space. This is perfect amount of space for a 2-bed for guest or family. Main ensuite, so spacious.
I love the little balconies off this unit.
Yes, and there's a third one. You've got this one upstairs and off the front where you got a water view.
And there's just the right amount of backyard if you have a little pet or need to relax outside. And this cute little balcony right here, this porch, comes straight off the primary bedroom.
Yes. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the link with the pricing and more details there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.